Hi, this video is to showcase you how to install this plugin into your site. So for this, you have to log in into the backend. Then on the login and the plugin menu, you have to click on Add New button. And once you click on Audio, you will see this option. Then you can type sorting option in network search for BuddyBoss. So you can type this, okay, and you will see the plugins come. You will see the plugin coming. Or else, what you can try, you can type across WP, and it will going to show you all the plugins that are been added by Google. And once you do that, you can click on Install Now. As soon as you can click on Install, it will going to install the plugin. So it will take some time. Okay, once it's installed, you can do and activate the plugin. So here you can see I have activated the plugin, and boom, it's done. Now if I go to settings, you will see this option coming up. I can basically change this up, okay, and click on save settings, and it will basically do the sorting option in the front end as well. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks.